Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. And let me see what are the messages. I'm using different decks for the fire signs. I use very different decks for the earth, water and air. I'm going to use 4 decks. I'm also going to tell you numbers, names, alphabets, whatever is important for you, whatever is lucky for you in July. So these are July predictions. These are more detailed predictions than the other videos that I normally do. So I did a detailed one for the other elements also. So let's see what is your first love message. Okay, what will July bring you? It's called virtue, the first message. And the card reads virtue, and it says you acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes that encourage others to grow. So in the relationship, you're very encouraging, you're very inspiring, you're very motivating. I want you to say that keep up the good work. If you're doing all this in the relationship, very few people manage to do it. Very few people manage to inspire the other person or inspire your loved ones to make them a better person. We're always taking out faults, what's not right, what's not working. But I think you also work on the faults of the other person if there's something not something that you don't really like in the other person in a partnership, but there's a way you say it, there's a way, you don't change the individual, but there are things that the way you say it, the way you motivate the person, you make the person understand what is good for him or her. I think that's what you do, and I think in July you're going to do a lot of it. You're going to inspire somebody to be better, especially a love relationship. Forgiveness. In July, I feel that you're going to hold some grudges against someone, and it will take time for you to forgive the person. So if you really been angry with the person, or there's been a problem in the relationship, I'm going to hold it like this because it has come reversed. So I don't see you forgiving the person very easily, very soon. The person has to really work hard to get your forgiveness, or for you to forgive him or her. I feel this is the other person asking for forgiveness from you, rather than you, asking for forgiveness. So fire signs, I think somebody is wronged you, or somebody is not been fair in the relationship. Somebody is hidden details, and the person really has to work hard on this relationship, and that's the time you will forgive. So July is all about the other person also working on the relationship, and making you feel also making you feel that yes, it wasn't their mistake, or whatever happened, they understand wasn't right. So somebody is going to seek your forgiveness. It's again the card came forgiveness. I think you're going to forgive the person. First card came up reversed. This card came reversed when I took it out first. So I think somebody will seek your forgiveness, and I think in July you will forgive the person, though you'll take your own time, own sweet time. Is what I want to say. Vision. So this is a general reading. It's not a specific, guys. Some of you, few of you, losing your vision in the relationship, not knowing where it is going. I think you're getting confused. What did we start at? What is it ending? Where is it going towards? Do we want the same thing out of the relationship, or we two are very different, and now that we're really getting serious, is it going to work in the future? I feel all those questions coming in your mind with this card. So July will be a lot of questioning, accepting, not accepting the situation. I don't want to say not accepting forgiveness, not accepting the situation the way it is. So probably there is some mending to be done in the relationship. I want you probably going to see the relationship from a different angle, or probably that you're now thinking seriously about it. There are some things that you are not accepting in the relationship. You're like, this doesn't work for me. If this is how you say things, you're going to tell the other person that this doesn't work this way if we are in this relationship. I feel you're not going to control. It's not about controlling issue. It's not about telling the person what to do or what not to do. But some things you really can't expect, that these things will happen, the other person will behave like this, or some kind of a behavior is not accepted by you. I get that also. Or something the other person has done is not acceptable to you. So maybe it's all about forgiveness, and not accepting, or accepting the mistakes or whatever the other person is doing. So it is most of the cards are similar right now. I want to take one more card out. Not working in unity. I think you two are now realizing that you two are different people, especially it's coming from your side. I get a lot of Aries when I'm talking. I don't know, it's especially for Aries. I am getting that you will you know that yes, you had a fantastic relationship, it was a very beautiful romantic relationship, but now things are not working the way they were working. Is That's what I think you're not really, I want to say the word comfortable, you're really not comfortable with the beliefs or the or something to do with the other person. Now you're getting to know the your loved one, and you're like, no, this is not acceptable, this is not the way I am, or I don't believe in this and you believe in this, and probably there's going to be a clash, of beliefs or ideas or something of values in a relationship. I've just changed my deck. Let me see what the Moonology cards are saying. Pick the first. Your commitment is being tested. I think your commitment was tested, and that's why, or you tested somebody else's commitment, and the person did fall short of it, or there was something about commitment. You wanted to commit, the other person didn't want to commit. I also get probably the other person did commit, but did something wrong in the relationship that you found out, and you're not really happy about it. Maybe that's why you're taking time to forgive, or you might not even forgive. So, guys, remember this is a generating. It's not for everybody. Whatever resonates in your situation, take the message. Otherwise, let the message be. Don't apply it. Luck is on your side. So, if you want to, if you are thinking in July, if finances or financially or career wise, am I doing well? Am I not doing well? And this is because it's a card of Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius, this is especially for you and all the fire signs. That yes, November will be a better time for you. If you've been thinking that luck is never on your side, you've been having a hard time, it's about failures or putting in so much hard work and not getting anything out of it which makes you happy. I think in November you're going to feel really good. That's what I feel. And I think red and maroon are fantastic colors to work in July. So things will be much better in November. That's when your birthday falls also, especially for Sagittarians. Oh God, my cards keep flying away. Okay, so I feel that around September end, you if it's going to be a win-win situation in November, but September you will not get the results. So November it's going to be a good time. Maybe you're working towards November. Probably in September you think it's not going very well, but I want to say it will be a fantastic year for you. And anything after September 11th, whatever happens after September 11th will be great for you. So don't get deterred by anything that happens, and you feel that you need to give up. Don't do that. I think November is going to be a fantastic time for you guys, fire signs. If you've been feeling you're not good enough, I think in July, few of you, one of you, some of you, will feel that I am not good enough. I don't deserve this financially. I don't know why I get a lot of finances. If somebody is lending you money, you worry, you're not really comfortable taking that money, or you're not really happy. You wanted that money, the person did lend you some money, and probably thinking, am I a good friend? Am I a deserving friend that the friend is lending me money? You questioning yourself on everything, even if the other person is helping you or not helping you. You bringing your own self worth down. I think especially during July, is what I get. Sometimes you need to surrender to the divine, it says, and it says that in July, a few things, leave it on God, or your loved ones who passed away, who are guiding you, or your guiding spirits or archangels, or whoever you believe in, any higher power that you believe in. Doesn't need to have a name, you just have to believe that there is somebody for you. I think just surrender. I want to say, don't control the situation in July. Sometimes when we control the situation, the outcome is very different from it what it has to be. So if you don't control the situation, let's and see how it's flowing. I think things might just work out for you in July. So in July, don't have don't control anything, especially your finances, your job, your trying to control your boss, or trying to control your employees, or trying to control your co-worker, family, anything. Right now, July is not the time to control things. Okay, it's just let it be and see how things fall into place, or where life is taking you. I told you, your tough cycle will end. I feel this year, Aries, if you've been facing a lot of hardships, a lot of trouble, and a lot of heartaches, any hardships that you've been really facing, even if it's finances. I want to say health also. I want to add health to this. So everything is going to be fine. I think this year end. If you've not been feeling well for a few months or a few days or weeks, I think July is a time when you're going to start recovering. You're going to feel better. I also got the channel towards make the most of it. Maybe July is the time where you make the most of it, or you understand your relation, finances, business strategies, your job, anything. You know, make the most of it. Make the most of your time. A time for healing. July is going to be a time for healing. That's why I said July is a time to sit back and see where life is taking you. Okay, remember that it's not a time to control. It's a time to let go. If you've been worrying if your loved ones are safe, I think you'll still be worrying in July, especially if you're dealing with a cancer and you've been worrying about a cancerian's health. I think it will be okay. The person will be okay. You don't have to worry about the person. I also want to say the person loves you. You don't have to worry about that or rethink or keep thinking about that and rethink about this, some words somebody told you, especially a cancerian. I think your loved one is safe. You don't have to worry. I feel you worried about the health or you worried about the fact that does the person love me. They would. I get two kinds of worry. You know, either it's health related or it's about a heartbreak or just understanding the cancerian. Be a little wise in July. Use your wisdom. Don't make too many hard decisions. Okay, don't make too many hard decisions. I also feel a heavy heart. Okay, but you will make a lot of hard decisions. Even when I tell you to be wise and don't make a lot of hard decisions, I still feel you're going to do that a lot. Again, this card came. So be wise in July, guys. Don't be impulsive. Think through what the other person has said or deal with the situation properly. Okay, not just from the surface. Understand the situation and deal with the situation very wisely. Use your wisdom. Healing. So it's time to heal. The card also said maybe you need healing right now in July. So maybe you did work a lot, and July is the time you really need to, like I said, meditate or relax or retreat or disconnect from the world. For a few days. If few days is not is impossible, then I would say a few minutes also is very good. Missing your friends. A lot of Aries. I get Aries again. I get Aries and now I get a Leo. Yeah. So Aries and Leo signs are missing their friends quite a lot, and they really want to get together and have a chat and have a nice gossipy session. I think you guys are really missing your friends. July is a time to ask for help. You're not going to ask for help. It is a time to ask for help. I think the card that came before before this, I think in the middle of the reading was when I said you feel you don't deserve anybody's help. That's what I feel. You want to reach out to people. You need help. But if somebody's trying to help you, either you say I don't need the help anymore. Even if you do need help, and I feel you just can't reach out to people or you can't voice what you want and you are really seeking help, and I think July you should seek help. Any emotional help, anything financial. Your friends are there to help you, and don't think I'm not deserving, I don't deserve this, I don't deserve their help. I don't think you should need to you need to think all these things in your head. Fairy spotting, that's what I said, leave it to the divine, because it's come reversed. I'm going to say you're not picking up the signs of nature. You're not going to pick up the signs of nature or what your spirit guides are going to tell you in July. I want you to be more open-minded and listen to them. Sometimes they put little hints around us. Sometimes we start thinking of words, or there is a song that plays that puts us on the path and gives us an answer. Sometimes we ask for help, sometimes we seek help, but when the spirit guides are helping, we don't know how to connect the situation with the words we're getting, or probably with the songs that are playing. Suddenly a song will play, or suddenly something will come in your mind. So those are things that the spirit guides, the angels are guiding you with, are putting you on the right path, are also answering your questions that you have in your mind. Wisdom. I think this came third time July. Sorry, for July. So fire signs, all of you, please be wise. This is what I want to say, because three times this card has come, okay, and that also reversed. I think all three times. Yes, I do have cards flying away. I want to turn this around. These are my Earth Oracle cards. Let's see what's the first message. Vision. confusion and vision. Like I think the card came for the relationship. I think it's relationship and job. There's some kind of a confusion. Probably not very happy with the current job you are in. You don't think it gives you much. You don't think you are getting anything out of it. It's like a desert for you. You can't see greenery. You can't see money in that job. You're just doing it, like a routine job, and there is no pleasure it's giving you. In July, don't put your guards down. Okay, in July, I also feel that you're going to be very sensitive, especially with Sagittarius. I got that. So don't let your guards down. Somebody can hurt you with your words. Just be on your guard also, because I feel you're going to be vulnerable. I feel this for Leo. A lot of passion, a lot of fire in whatever you're doing right now. Especially if you're working, you are, there are new ideas popping in your head. There's lots going on. You love your job. This is for Leo. Maybe it's a new job also. I also get a new job. You've just got a new job and you're very excited about it. That's what I get. So I'm saying it for Leos, but because I'm doing fire signs, could be for Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, one of you. But I feel one of you, two of you, whoever has started a new job and you're really happy about the new job. It's like a lot of excitement, and you want to do a lot of things in the job. You want to change this, you want to change that, and you want to bring about changes for the better is what I get. This card I'm not going to take. It doesn't sit in the reading. I don't know why. It's not for you. Some things will be veiled from you. Like I said, okay, don't be vulnerable. You'll be sensitive. There'll be information that will be kept away from you in a situation. It could be any situation, guys. It could be, I'm getting a legal battle. In a legal battle, for a few of you, one of you, whoever it resonates with, there is some legal issue and you do not know everything about the legal battle. And if you're going to fight a court case, I want you to understand every situation, every point, anything that can be picked up in the court or by the lawyer. So I want you to study your case very well. If you're a lawyer, I want you to study the case well also if you're handling the case. Let me see what are the other messages. Perspective, not having the right perspective. Like I think I also remember when I was talking in the beginning of the reading, I did say, looking at the whole issue or whatever the thing is with a different eye or from a different angle. So something needs to be looked at in a different angle. Probably you're not getting the right picture because you're seeing the situation very differently right now than what it is. Promises will be kept. So if anybody is going to promise you something in July related to love, I think promises will be kept. I think promises will be kept if somebody's promised you something, a family member also. And that's a bird saying yes, the bird is chirping here. So yes, anything that's been promised will come to you. Or I feel new promises, new relationships, new beginnings. I also feel a new job. So a lot of promises. And I have a good feeling about this card. So July 14th is especially good for you guys. That's what I feel. Last card. No, doesn't sit. I'm going to close the reading because I don't think I need to give you one more message. I'm going to do the alphabets right now. Let me see what message do they form. T, C, O, I, and P. C came twice. Topic. There is a topic that needs to be addressed. I get topic. So that's the word my spirit guides want you to know, okay? Topic. There is a topic, okay, that you need to take care of, like forgiveness or whatever, perspective. So July is going to be all about something, a topic that your life will revolve around, a special topic, something that needs to be addressed. It will be similar. Sorry, it fell. So that's what I get. Sorry, it's just slipping out of my hand. I want to see if I can say anything else. I also got top of the situation, top of the whole thing, feeling top of the world. I want you to feel top of the world. That's brilliant. I also get the words pick and choose, though they are not forming each other. I don't know why I want to say pick and choose. I want to say pick your battles right. Pick and choose your battles. Not all battles need to be fought, or not all of them need to turn into a battle. It's not necessary. Everything has to be a battle. So pick and choose what you need to address also. So let me see what are the numbers that I can give you. 8 number. I get 8 number. I'm going to do one more number for you guys. 6, 11. 11 is good for you. Sorry, if I turn it like that, it's going to fall. 11 is also good for you. 11 is also 2. 11 is also a wish number for me. I see a lot of 11, 11 all the time. So, yes, a color. Sorry, I didn't give a color or a charm. Color or a charm. Color or a charm. I'm going to put a tray next time. So, you know, I'm going to bring it up and you can see what all it is on the tray. So, purple is good for you guys. Fire signs, red. Red is there. Fire signs. Wheel, movement, action, like I said. Wheel, action, movement. Need to do things. See, fire signs were also for few of you. It was a lot of action. Few of you. It was to sit back and relax. Also, get let the wheel. Let it flow in its own way. You know the way it's going, the movement. Don't disrupt it. So when I said sit back and relax, is also see where life is taking you, where life is leading. You know. So those were the messages. Thank you so much. I'll be back with another reading. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Tam Predicts. Also hit the like button. Also comment because I read all the comments. And you can also say what kind of predictions do you want. I'm going to do that. I'll take a lot of suggestions and I do certain kind of predictions as suggested by the people who are listening to my videos. And thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic July, the whole of July. Bye.